Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others, as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. 1 Peter 4, verse 10. Your gift was never meant to be hidden, it was meant to bless. Whether it's your voice, your hands, your wisdom, or your presence, God placed something in you for the benefit of others. Too often we wait for stages or applause, forgetting that true impact begins in quiet acts of service. Your gift can heal, inspire, strengthen, and restore. If you're willing to use it, don't bury what heaven deposited in you. Bless others. Serve freely. Shine boldly. The world doesn't need more talent. It needs more selfless vessels. Bless with your giftings on Become the Sermon.